The time I tell the price right. She a wish pon a star, the Lord catch her eyesight. Some chain favor dry ice, and the beats I go stay real, fresher than the limelight. Yo, mad and bad in a man. You know our vibes are inside with another one, you know. Yo, 2025, a terrible year, you know. A wicked piece of year for Alkaline, you know. You know it go already, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, you know, man. Alkaline 2025 new rules date drop for Jamaica. July 5th in the summer. Trelawney Stadium, where Alkaline mother born and grow, our birthplace. You know, see a torture, man. Alkaline I got dominate 2025. Man, I tell no lie about it. You know it go already, man. A mad thing. So you know, say Alkaline have around 5 shows so far for the year, and more dates about to announce. And as we see, say Alkaline not drop no song all now. Only one song him drop for the year. We're in the month of March right now, and Alkaline will drop a next song. And his name is ringing 24/7. So you know, say, yo, you know, say it look like Alkaline about to drop an album this year. He might work with the Genius. And who knows, he might work with a lot more artists. And trust me, people, it look like some bomb out for drop this year. 2025 for Alkaline. Because people, look out. A trouble this year. Trouble this year. Alkaline, I got dominate 2025. Just like him dominate all the other years. But this year, it's a significant year. 2025. Remember, you know, when Alkaline dropped the New Rules concert, them, you know, it's always chaos, you know, in the scene, you know. And look, 3 new rules in 1 year. It has never done before. Him keep 2 new rules before, when him keep one at Miami, and then him keep the other one at Jamaica. I remember in 2022. But this year, 2025, hey, God, man. Alkaline I go dominate the year. I remember said the youth have a wide catalog, you know. Him they have to drop songs, but him won't drop it for prove and show and say, yo, and me are the man. And me are the man. And Alkaline people, check it out. This year new rules, 2025, Jamaica, Trelawney, all who are going to turn up. I know say the Miami show, I know say the Boston show can't miss me because my ticket book and buy already. So, you know, so we are going to run it out the real way and support the thing the real way. So, all who are going out and ready to support the Data Boss, for him new rules and for him other concert them. Remember, I'm have the reggae, the summer fest. I go turn up. A mad thing this year, man. You can't hold back Data Boss, man. You don't know that already, man. Alkaline I go dominate 2025. You know what, man? She sight a star, the Lord catch her eyesight, you know, man. So you know, say, yo, a trouble this year. Trouble for 2025, yo. It's a spectacular year for Alkaline, trust me. No lie about that. It's such a spectacular year for no, say, yo, the youth name a ring without him being too socially active. But you know that already, man. When you're great, you know, man. When you're great, you don't even have to do nothing for your name ring, you know. Your name just like a ring 24/7, so. 2025 new rules. 2025 July 5th, Jamaica, look out. England, look out. April, look out. Canada, look out. You know it, go, man. Probably there's going to be another new rules. Who knows? But Alkaline, Kerry, me ask you for drop a new rules in Africa, cause Gambia and Nigeria, them love Alkaline on a different level. So we look forward to a new rules in Africa. Hopefully, maybe next year or who knows. I would love for Alkaline to keep new rules every other year or maybe every year in a different country. But you know, Alkaline that he might do his own thing. He might the man, him the boss of a system of his own. So you can't program Alkaline thing. So him do his own thing. So you know that go already. But as I say, people, new rules 2025. 3 new rules, 1 year. Problem. This is going to set the precedent, bro. 3 new rules in 1 year is going to set the precedent. Who else is going to do it? Who else is going to showcase them true greatness by dropping them show 3 shows in 1 year? Who else is going to do it? Nobody else. Because Alkaline is the man. One and only, you know. One Alkaline, one Data Boss. And we love to see the fans, them support the fans, them come out and have a joyful time for know, say, yo, them artists. Them artists are come out there, showcase themselves. You know, I keep the shows them, the concert them. Forget along all of the true fans. So you know what, go man, a vendetta thing there, no, man. One vendetta, you know, one alkaline. A mad thing. People know it already, man. A vibes and inside with Nanda, man. Check it out. New rules 2025. I'm out. Peace.